11alive.com. More than 36 million families received their final advance payment for the U.S. child tax credit this month. Congress is debating whether those advance payments will continue, and there's still questions from people about the money. Mainly, will parents have to pay it back? As Hope Ward found out, it all depends.
The advanced child tax credit is the same credit parents would normally receive as part of their refund each year. But this year, Congress allowed it to be paid in advance. But the amount parents receive is determined by income taxes. Since the tax credit is based on 2019 and 2020 tax returns, some people may get overpaid. In those cases, the money would need to be returned. And here's the four circumstances. If a parent made more money in 2021 and is no longer eligible, for example, if a parent made $75,000 in 2020 and is filing as single, they qualify. But if the parent made $90,000 in 2021 and is filing single, they would need to repay some or all of the overpayment they received. If a child lives with a parent less than half the year, the parent is not eligible to receive the credit. And if custody changed, that could also result in an overpayment. For example, if parent A claimed their child in 2020, but parent B will claim the child in 2021, then parent A will receive money for the child, even though it was supposed to be paid to parent B. In this case, parent A would need to return the overpayment. If a parent's tax filing status changed, say from joint to single, this could result in an overpayment. And the last instance in which someone might have to repay is if the qualifying parent lived outside the U.S. for more than half the year in 2021. So how to repay? Well, if you get a check, write void on the endorsement section and mail it back to the IRS with a return explanation. If the check was cashed or a direct deposit, mail a check or money order payable to U.S. Treasury. Write advanced CTC and your Social Security number on the memo line and include a brief reason for the payment. If someone wants to wait until they file their taxes, they'll need to report the overpayment on the 2021 tax return as additional income. This will either reduce the amount of the tax refund or increase the total taxes due for 2021.
All right, we know that was a lot of information. We do have it all broken down for you and more examples on 11alive.com.